Uh, Hi fellow viewers to everybody. Good morning and almost going to good noon. I am Steve Ong. I am the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. Okay, by the way, this video is about the one who make a redesign of the Banco Filipino. This video is for RG of Vinta Technologies. First of all, RG, I'd like to say thank you so much for redesign to make a new look and the new design, especially the sun, the eight rays of the sun of Banco Filipino from old to new. It should be new look already because we are now in the digital age. I would like to say thank you so much. I like the design. And for the meantime, I would like to say that this will take time to they will reconstruct the bank, God willing, for the third time, if in case this will be open for the third time, because actually, to be honest with you, RG, ang hirap talaga mag-fight ang Bangko Sentral at ang Bangko Pilipino, itong dalawa. Ang sa akin lang is dapat set aside mo na ang alitan nilang dalawa. Pero the design, I love it. I love it so much. If you listen to my video, thank you so much. Matagal ko na yan inaantay. Itago mo na yung design. Keep it sacredly because pinaghirapan mo yan, the design, I like the design so much, especially the app, mobile app, kung just in case mag-ooperate na ulit, pero it will take time. I'm gonna tell you, it will take time. I like the app, I like the logo, kung in case mga branches mag-ooperate na, signages, mobile banking app, kasi dadaan yan ng Google Play Store. Hindi yan madadaan ng mobile banking app kung hindi dadaan sa Google Play Store. Pero kailangan dumaan muna sila sa license. Maraming tests yan. You cannot operate a bank without passing the clearance of Bangko Sentral. And of course, PDIC, of course. But I like the design so much. I love it. So my point in this video is that the redesign, the new look, it will be a big help talaga. Just keep it lang. Huwag ka mag-alala. It will take time. It is not an easy task. I'm gonna tell you. So my point is that the design of Bangko Pilipino in the new look, I love it, especially logo. Ang lesson nandito, RG, ito lang simple. Kung mag-operate sila for the third time, simple lang. Ang solution dito para mag-open third time, bayanihan system. You mentioned in your video, bayanihan. Okay? So, I hope that this video is very interesting. Thank you so much for listening. Good morning and going to good noon. Thank you and God bless.